Yeah, no, I've got a pretty good idea. I'm just not sure the quickest way up to our hill spot.
Oh yeah, it's always the main roads. Yeah. There are going to be people and you may get shot, but they're usually good about that. I don't know if this is used or not. So the trick with these flash grenades is if they don't go off, you can tear them in half and expose the fuse. And then you can just ignite it that way. Yeah, that looks spent. Ah! Fucker! Whatever.
That one looked like it went off.
Got me right in the shoulder. Oh! Oh my god! It was literally in the gap of the mask and the eye pro. Oh my god. Hold this. Hang on, hold this.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. I know you didn't mean it. I know you're a good boy. Yes. No, it's Steve the Balloon. It's okay, dude. Don't worry about it. Accidents happen. I know. I can see you're genuine about it. Am I really?
How my friend in the CQB game? A lot more blood. The worst part is I had a shot on him too. Well, you could say you got shot by a gun gamer now.
Yeah.
For whatever that's worth.
Oh, I feel so bad.
I died in the glorious name of Judy. All three of us did.
I got one vehicle, so it wasn't as bad.
I had his SRS. What's his name? Gave me his SRS to shoot his team.
That was an SRS, like that bolt action?
Yes.
Fuck!
I had a perfect shot, and I took it, and as I did, I watched his face just come into the scope and take the baby. Alright, I'm gonna start moving.
I heard that coming. God damn, that's my first face welt.